Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a free 60 FPS screen recorder for your computer. It works great with games, and if you mess with the settings it'll sound really good. So first you want to go to this website here, and I'll leave the link in the description above, below. And then you want to go to download, Windows, depending on your operating system. Mine is Windows and Classic, and then download over here. So as soon as it's done downloading, you go over here and you click open and then run. But I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do that. So then you open it up. What you're going to want to do is you're going to go to settings, and then go to you go to broadcast settings, and then you go to, if you're gonna stream, you want to go here and then select what you're gonna stream, but I don't. You want to go to here, and then you want to save it to wherever you're gonna save it, but you want to make sure it's an MP4 because it'll save it as an FLV, which you can't do much with those. So you want to make sure you make this an MP4, and you might want to make this an MP4 too. So I'll do that now. Then you want to click apply, and then you go to video. You can set like this if you want to. You want to change this, and then you change how many FPS you get, and I'm pretty sure 60 is the max. So you just click apply, and then you go to audio. Here you set your recording, like what you're gonna use to record, and then you want to go to hotkeys. Click save hotkeys, and then you might want to use one of these, like set a hotkey. I have mine for F8 and F9 to start recording and stop recording, so then you won't have to like go off the screen if you have like a second screen, or open up the tab down here. So then you go to advanced, and you click above normal. You set above normal for here, and you set this for high, and that's it for that. So if you want to set like a scene switcher, if you have like, if you're gonna stream or something, you can switch to different games.